This is my makeup for Mahjong. And this is my hair. This is what I wear. So now it's time to go downstairs. So let's finish going down the steps. Here we go. 1, the amazing Marla. Ta-da! And now, walking to the family room. Look at us walking. Instead, let's go bother Grandpa. Yeah. Look at Grandpa. Quietly reading his newspaper. Trying to quietly read his newspaper. Is Jordy still filming us? I'll go back to the den when the first Mahjong girl arrives. See you in part 2.
Could you take it?